Hi, today what we're going to discuss are the Time Work Wizard and the Piecework Wizard. I'll start with the Piecework Wizard. Um, we use the Piecework Wizard to enter piecework into MTRack. Now, piecework is where staff members produce a certain product at a certain rate over a certain period of time in a location and an operation. So to access that, I'll go to my piecework menu, and then under the piecework menu we'll see a piecework wizard. So I'll click on that and we'll get a standard wizard tool loading up. I'll click next. So to start the process, what we have to do is select a site which should default to whatever site you've logged into. The next parameter is the location where the work took place, so I'll choose block 2. The next one is what type of operation we were doing for this piecework task, so we'll just say we were picking, and then it'll ask us for a start and stop time. So if we just do a really simple one here, so we'll just go from 4 o'clock through to 7 o'clock. It'll ask if this task was piece paid, so we'll just say yes. The next we'll click next. What we do now is we select the workers who were working on this task. So we'll just select a bunch of workers in here and then click next. The next page, we need to tell the system what we were producing and at what rate. So I'll tell the system that we were producing cases of 8 by 250 grams, and we're going to be paying $5 a tray, and we're also going to be producing waste, and we're paying waste is probably going to be a kilo, so let's just pay 50 cents a kilo. Okay, we'll click next. Now what we'll see is a list of the products that we've configured and a list of workers. So if I wanted to enter the quantity that each worker had picked, I would select my product first. I would then enter the total against each worker. So, and I'll just use my down arrow key to navigate down. So I'll just put some random quantities in here. Once I've put the quantities, I just need to allocate the production. And now it'll clear it down, then I can do the same for waste. So for my waste, I will just say everyone basically picked a kilo of waste in here. And allocate that. I'm now completed, so I can click next. So it'll give me a breakdown of what each person picked. I can group it if I need to, and then next, and then finish, and that is my piecework done. If I wanted to go and just check on that quickly, I could use my edit tasks under piecework, and we could find that in the list of jobs that happened today. So that would be picking, and now I can see my list of workers. They all worked 3 hours, and these are the items that they produced. Okay, so that's the quick piecework wizard. The next one we're going to be using is the time work wizard. Time work wizard being very similar. All it does is ask you for a list of, again, so I'm going to choose a site. We'll tell system when the work took place. Let's choose some random quality control, and they work between 5 and 9 or 8. The next parameter is how do we pay these workers. We're going to use individual rates, so we'll say we'll use each person's rate, so yes. Or alternatively I can put in a global hourly rate here, so if each person was going to get $10 an hour, we'll put $10 in here. And next, and then I just select my workers. A process that will add them to our list. Then next, I'll get a summary, and then next, and finish. And that would now be live in the system. Again, if I wanted to change something or remove something, I could go to my edit time tasks, and that was quality control, so I can now see all the earnings and hours in here. And I can remove a work if I've made a mistake, or change the time for a particular worker, and that would be done. I hope this helps, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks, bye.